Okay, thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. And in this video, I'm going to be showing how to replace a light bulb on the headlamp. And that's that one there. And this is for a 2004 Ford Mustang, but the compatible vehicles are from 99 to 2004. And I'm sure a lot of the Mustangs are very similar, but in this particular case, this is for the 99 to 2004 Ford Mustangs. And all you need is just these pliers or tweezers or whatever you want to call them, and then the replacement light bulb. So all you have to do is, if you see these two tabs here, they lift up straight up. So let me see if I can go ahead and do that. Okay, there you go. Just set it up to the side. And then let me get this one here. And just lift them up straight. Just put them off to the side. And then the headlamp will come straight out. Oh, there you go. Actually, the light bulb came off. It may not even be connected properly. That's why it's not working. Okay, so you see how it comes out, and if you can see these tabs here, they fit into the tab inside. I don't know if you can see that. When you put them back in, they go straight in. There it is, the tab. And then that's how it would go, and it's the same thing for the other side as well. Let's focus on there. I really wish I had a helper recording, but that's how you do it. So I'm gonna see, maybe they were just loose and that's why I'm having an issue. Alright, but this is from the original stock light, and I bought these lights a while back, and they're xenon lights or something like that, and they already came with a light bulb. So I'm gonna check and see what's going on or what the deal is, and I'll check the other side as well. Okay, so I pulled out the light a little bit more to get more access to it, and I left the light bulb in there, but it's still, the high beams are not working. But that's another issue I'll have to deal with in another video. But the way you just replace the light bulb is, when it's connected, you just loosen it up, turning it, and you see there, the light bulb will come straight out. And then the way you would put it back in, I don't know if you can see, and there's kind of like some notches in there, and they fit back. And then this thing would come back in. I don't know if you see that. And it's stuck in there, so you turn it, what would that be, counterclockwise to unloosen it, and then clockwise, well, what is it, left to loosen and right to tight. And that's how you would do it here. And then that's the plug in there for the light bulb, which goes back in, and then you just push it back straight in. And like I said, make sure that notch, those two notches, see that one on the bottom and then there was one on the top, they match up with the holes, if you remember, on there. And that's how you replace a light bulb. So I'm going to be doing a separate video of diagnosing why my high beams are not working, but that's how you replace the light bulb. I didn't want to replace it with this one, but I probably am, just to double check, but that'll be on the separate video of how you diagnose why the high beams are not working. So thanks for checking out my YouTube channel. Leave a comment and let me know what you think, or if you have any ideas as well, if you want to check out my other video when I post it. Hopefully by then I figure out what's going on with the high beams. Okay, thank you. Okay, so I already replaced the light bulb, and then I pushed in the headlight straight in. Don't forget the notches, it can get lined up. And then afterwards you just pop these into the grooves. I don't know if you can see, there they are right there. You just slide them straight down, and that holds on the headlights. So if you can see on this side, let me see if I get the other notch. There it is right there. It would go just straight in. So you see how it goes in here, and just slide it down, and that holds the headlights in place. Okay, so thanks for watching. Leave a comment, and then check out my other YouTube video of how to diagnose the high beams as well. Thanks for watching.